Diet Coke, baby. This is Chris. Say hi, Chris.
Hola.
I am Rob.
Alright, yeah,
say hi,
Rob.
Rob.
All in. Should I just put it like...
Shit.
That was pretty bad. It's not even... Alright, well, I gotta shake it up because it'll get all inside the Mentos thing. I didn't take off the top.
Whee! Make your own Mentos geyser. We are still shaking. Okay, we are done shaking and it's time for the rocket.
Hold up, hold up. Okay.
That was a plan.
That was horrible by him, and that was all his fault.
Time for round 2.
Ooh, this one's getting hard. Oh, this one's way harder.
This one looks pretty good. Hi, Mr. Truck.
Who was that?
I have no idea.
He waved at us.
Shake.
Listen to it.
Hear that? Sound of victory.
Ooh, and the Mentos got out. Look at the bottom of it.
Yay, Mentos! Time for round 2.
Holy shnikey! Oh, baby! Oh, baby!
Whenever there's crime, these are the guys who clean it up. The key to our success. Booyah! Take 3.
Oh, baby.
We have ourselves the 3rd test. Go on, Chris, shake that up.
Wait, look at it, watch it. It's launching stuff up. Oh, baby.
Dude, I can't even squish it. The cap is bulging out because of the pressure of the Diet Coke and Mentos. Look at the Mentos. Take 3.
Baby! That did the exact same thing as last time, and it was amazing! Yeah! And Robbie's covered in Coke. His face, see that? See all that? It's all over him. It's all over him. Oh, baby.
Take 4, geyser.
Okay, we're doing it on there.
Geyser!
Woohoo!
Whee!
I think that's pretty high.
This is the remains of our battleground. Lots of Coke, lots of Mentos, and Chris. Diet Coke and Mentos, thankfully provided by Eckerd's. And the amazing actors are Rob Vogel and Chris Long. Thank you very much. Ta-da! Thanks, guys. We couldn't have done this without you.